We've just landed at the Srinagar Air Base, the Srinagar base of the Indian Air Force, and here you see the AN-32 by which we've flown from Delhi. There are Air Force personnel going inside and taking out the relief material. The IL-76 have been put into action. Two IL-76s have flown in from Delhi, and there are AN-32s and IL-76 from air bases such as Jammu, Bhatinda, Chandigarh, Srinagar and Pathankot.
Today has been a particularly very useful day for relief and rescue operations, especially because right from early in the morning, when C-17 Globemaster aircraft, it brought the mobile hospital load. After that, subsequently C-130 aircrafts, they brought in boats for the rescue operations. Likewise, numerous sorties by IL-76 and AN-32, which you can see are going on even now, brought in lot of loads of medicines, blankets and other utility items for the people. And today we have been lucky because the weather has held up. That is why we have been able to push in as many sorties. Though yesterday and day before also a lot of rescue took place, but Srinagar was down, so much of effort could not be put in here directly.
So this relief material which you see over here is medicines, tents, blankets, ready to eat material that will be transported to various camps which have been set up by the Army and National Disaster Response Force. The Air Force personnel now unloading this material. The Air Force choppers have rescued 700 stranded people from various parts of the state so far, and has deployed choppers such as Chetak, Cheetah, Mi-17s versions 4 and 5, besides the transport aircrafts which are being flown in with relief materials. The Army's 200 columns have rescued 15,000 people so far, and 3,000 of them have been provided food, medicines and shelter, and a corps of engineers of the Army also engaged with its JCBs and bulldozers to restore the National Highway 44 from Jammu Banihal to Srinagar. With camera person Hemant Kumar at the Srinagar Air Base, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.